Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day. And today we are going out for a picnic. A little update. I changed my YouTube channel's name from Sayee's World to Sayee's Life. Please subscribe, like, and turn off the post notification. It's springtime, so there are beautiful flowers and trees everywhere. Pink cherry blossoms are my favorite. They just look so nice. Kavi also loves cherry blossoms. There were also white cherry blossoms, and in the middle there was a fountain. The tulips were nice and bright. Oh my god, a squirrel! She ran away. There she is. So cute. Oh my god. Wait. Go back. Kavya. You wanna say something? You wanna say something? What? This is more barbecue. Is it waiting? Oh, a laptop. Oh. We put lots of stuff under the barbecue so the grass won't burn. So be careful while using the barbecue. The paper is almost burned. Smoke is everywhere. They're ready. Time to eat. Like it, Kavya?
Yeah.
You like it? Yay. And we went to the playground.
Kavya.
Me and Kavya love the spinny thingy. On the way back, we saw a beautiful white swan. I couldn't get a video of it because he moved too quick. So here are some photos. Hope you enjoy this video. Be creative. Bye.